Come on guys, let's look at this problem. Here this question is asking, in the following statement, how many tokens are there, what are the tokens? Okay, now let's see how many tokens are there. Now here this is a token and this whole thing is a token, so let's count this one, 1 2, and also this comma is a token, 3, and here we have I, that's another token, 4, and then we have a plus, that's another token, 5, and then we have this one is a token, 6, then we have J, that's a token, 7, and then we have asterisk, that's another token, 8, and we have 5, 9, and then this bracket, okay, 6, 9, 10, and 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, let me count it again. 1 2, okay, this is 2, and here we have 3, and this I is 4, this plus is 5, plus is 5, and also this printf is here, that's another one. Okay, so totally we have 15 tokens. So what are tokens? Tokens are keywords, identifiers, constants, variables, strings, and operators. So here you can see all of them are combined together, and that is making the token. It's like if you think about a human body is made of cells, right? It's similar to that. Programming languages are made up of tokens. Now I made a separate video on tokens. I explained everything briefly. Now let's look at the 6 tokens. First one is keywords, and the second one is identifiers, and third one is constants, and fourth one is variables, and then fifth one is string, and the last one is operators. And if you want to know about these things briefly, you can watch my another video. I made a separate video only for tokens. I'm explaining everything about tokens, and that's it. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to learn C or C++ programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist, and also I put the link of my blogger. You can try the codes, like there are a bunch of codes. All the codes I have made video with is over there in my blogger. I put the link in the description, so you can go ahead and watch them. And also if you are a beginner for any programming, you can try Raptor. You can see a separate playlist for Raptor that explains from the beginning of the programming. It works for any programming, and I hope you guys watch those videos. See you next time.